Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. Up for sale today, I have a 2008 Kawasaki Ninja 250. This bike has just over 9,600 miles on it. It's in great shape with the exception of a few scuffs here and there. Kind of get a good look at a couple of the scratches there. These 250s are excellent beginner bikes. They're real lightweight, really easy to ride. You can see that this bike is mostly stock with the exception of the windscreen. Tires, the front and rear, are in great shape. This bike has been fully inspected by our certified technicians to make sure that the bike runs and drives great. I'll get it started here for you. As you can see, the bike starts and runs great. Most of our bikes do come with a 30-day or 1,000 mile warranty, whichever should come first. If you happen to have any other questions about this bike or any of our other bikes, please feel free to drop by our location or give us a call at 952-941-0774.